Hey guys, how to add Instagram profile link to TikTok. So first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom right, and you're gonna see right here there is a clickable link to my YouTube channel. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up your TikTok again, and click the three bars at the top right, and then click this. Sorry, not the three bars. Go ahead and click edit profile right here, and scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see the social section, and you're gonna see two links, Instagram and YouTube. Go ahead to add your Instagram and then log in with Instagram account. And basically, after you added the username and phone number or email, go ahead and add the password. And after you add the password, confirm that you want to link your Instagram to TikTok, and then you're gonna be able to see another link, or you're gonna see in the YouTube link, if you click it, you're gonna see extra link to your Instagram account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.